Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a short program. I've done something similar to this before, comparing multiple files, but this time we're comparing just two files together, so it's like single files this time. So we're comparing images to see if the images are the same or not. So I've got two images here. And first of all, you've got to import the OS module. We will be using that, and then we've created a function here called compare images. I've created a variable here called path, and I've assigned it to my desktop plus folder 1. So I've got a folder on the desktop called folder 1. Then I've used the OS-CHDIR change directory into that path, so we will automatically change directory into that path. And what I've done, I've created file 1 here, cat.jpg, and file 2, cat.jpg. I'll just show you. That's the wrong one, of course. Let's have a look. Desktop. Folder 1. Okay, this is it. So these are the two images here that we're going to be comparing. Okay, so let's just go back here. So what we do is we open file 1 to read as binary and assign it a file object, which is going to be file object 1, and then we open the file 2 and we read that as binary and we assign it a file object, which is file object 2. So then we compare them using the if conditional here. So if file object 1, and we're reading it, is equal to the file object 2, print the images are the same, else print the images aren't the same. So let's just run it. Okay, and there we go. We've got images are the same. Okay, just added a couple of tweaks here. So we've added an error handler, try except exception as E. So the first error handler that we've added here is on the path. So let's just run it. We've got the path that we were using before that we know that works. So let's just run that. Okay, and everything's okay. Images are the same. Okay, let's just change the path, just something like that. There we go. Let's just run that. And there we go. The whoops. Let's just zoom out. So occurred. So we've got this error here, occurred. Okay, so let's just go to folder 1 again. And here we've put an error handler again. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete one of these so it will throw an error. Let's delete that like that. Okay, so let's just run the program again. Okay, so there we go. So it's thrown an error there. So to no such directory occurred. So we got the error to no such file directory occurred. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a big thumbs up. Drop me a comment and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.